Good morning, dear all, and how are you all? I hope you all are happy, safe, and yes, healthy at your home. So, welcome again to your digital LKG class. And today is Thursday. Yes. And yesterday we did what? We did mathematics. Yes, we did mathematics, and we learned the numbers from 10 to 19, and we also know that number from 10 to 19 comes in both the houses, that is the tens house and the ones house. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to carry on with our English portion, that is the next lowercase letter we are going to do today is O, that is O. We have done till N. So let's revise the phonetic sound first of all. You all have to repeat with me. So let's start. A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says F, F says F, G says G, H says H, I says E, J says J, K says K, L says L, M says M, N says N, and now the next one is O. The next one is O. Oh, look at my face, how the lips are going in the round shape. O. O. And my dear students, the phonetic sound of O is O. The phonetic sound of O is O. O. Orange. O. Octopus. O. छोटा सा O नहीं बोलेंगे. We won't saying O. O says O. No. O. O says O. O says O. O says O. Octopus. Ostrich. Okay? In that manner. Then now what we are going to do, जब भी हम कोई नया letter introduce करते हैं, what do we do first of all? We first of all read the sound story through our eyes, through our mouth and through our ears. Eyes से कैसे? जब हम pictures देखते हैं, we identify the pictures. Mouth से कैसे? जब मैम जो बोलती है हम repeat करते हैं वैसे. Ears से कैसे? जो भी मैम बोलती है हम उसको ध्यान से सुनते हैं. So eyes, mouth and ears. Tell them to be very, very active. Okay. First of all, before going to the reading part, let us know the characters of the story, the different words that are coming in the O sound story. So, let's meet with the characters. Now, dear students, this is our O. This is our O, the lowercase letter O. And look how simple it is. Just make a circle and just a little bit of tail. O is ready. Circle and a bit of tail. O is ready. Circle and a tail. O is ready and very good. Now, let's meet with the characters. The main character in this story is... Yes. Look at this man. His name is Omkar. 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 What is the name of this man? Omkar. What is the name of this man? Omkar. And you can see on his head he's carrying something. What is this? Oven. This is an oven. This is an oven. Oven. Microwave oven होता है ना आपके घर में, in which we used to prepare some dishes and cakes. Yes, this is an oven. Oven and Omkar. Very good. Now what is this? You can see there are a lot of trees in this, and on the trees you can see which fruit is this? This is orange. And there are lots of trees, so it is a orchard. Orchard. Orchard of oranges. Orchard of oranges. Orchard मतलब बगीचा. Bagacha. Orchard means बगीचा. Okay. This is a orchard. This is an orchard. Orchard. और किस चीज़ का orchard है ये? Oranges. 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 And this is an orange. Orange. Okay. Now what is this? This is a very big bird, very big, even taller than us. हमसे भी tall होती है ये. Okay, this is an ostrich. Ostrich. और ये bird fly नहीं करती. Okay, this is an ostrich. This is an ostrich. And now who is he? हमने मैथ्स में भी पढ़ा था when we did number 8. Tell me, what is this? This is an octopus. Octopus. Octopus, and it has 8 legs. और octopus की legs को क्या बोलते हैं? मैम ने बताया था आपको, tentacles. What do we call the legs of octopus? Tentacles. ये जो इसकी सारी legs है 8, these are called tentacles, and this is an octopus. Now ox. Ox. This is an ox. This is an ox. जिसको हम हिंदी में बैल बोलते हैं, उसको वो है ये ox. Ox. Now what is this? ओमकार ने अपने सर के ऊपर रखा था. ओमकार is lifted it on his head. What is this? This is an oven. This is an oven. ओवन, जिसमें मम्मा केक बनाती हैं और बहुत सारी डिशेस और भी डिशेस बनाती है. दिस इज एन ओवन, एंड दीज आर द बटन्स ऑफ द ओवन. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? माय गॉड, दिस इज अ ऑयल कैन. ऑयल कैन. ऑयल मतलब तेल, ठीक है, जिसमें मम्मा सब्जी बनाती है, आपके लिए पूरियाँ फ्राई करती हैं. ओके, दिस इज ऑयल कैन. ऑयल कैन. ऑयल कैन. और ऑयल कैन के अंदर क्या है? ये इज इनसाइड द ऑयल कैन. ऑयल. ऑयल. ओके, आफ्टर all these new characters that we have seen in our O sound story, we will move to O sound story. Open your Fun with English book at O sound story. All of you, come on. So dear all, this is your O sound story. O sound story. What is the sound of O? O. What is the sound of O? O. What is the sound of O? O. Okay, almost same sound hai. O. Okay, now let's once again do the characters. Ostrich. Ostrich. Octopus. Octopus. Oranges. Oranges. Orange. Orange. Oil can. Oil can. And what is coming out of it? Oil is coming out of it. Ox. 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 And who is he? Omkar. 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 And what is he carrying on his head? Oven. What is this? Oven. Okay, so this was all the characters. Now let's start with the story. Omkar. Omkar had an orchard full of oranges. Omkar had an orchard full of oranges. One day he had to go to the town to buy an oven. One day, where did Omkar went? Omkar went to the town to buy an oven. Omkar had an orchard full of oranges. ओमकार का एक बड़ा सा ऑर्चर्ड था जिसमें क्या लगे थे? खूब सारे ऑरेंजेस लगे थे. वन डे ओमकार वेंट टू बाय अ ओवन. एक दिन ओमकार कहाँ गया? टाउन, शहर गया. क्या खरीदने के लिए? ओवन. क्या खरीदने के लिए? ओवन खरीदने के लिए. ओके, he means Omkar asked his friends. And who are his friends? Ostrich and octopus, to take care of the baskets of oranges. And he asked his friend. ओमकार तो शहर गया ओवन खरीदने के लिए. तो ओमकार ने अपने फ्रेंड्स, कौन थे उसके फ्रेंड्स? ऑस्ट्रिच और ऑक्टोपस को बोला टू टेक केयर ऑफ द बास्केट्स ऑफ ऑरेंजेस, की ऑरेंजेस की जो बास्केट्स है उसका ध्यान रखो. Suddenly, who came? Ox came. Suddenly, who came? Ox came. And suddenly who came? Ox came there and kicked the oil can. Ox came and kicked the oil can. अचानक ही वहाँ कौन आया? Ox आया और उसने क्या किया? Oil can को kick किया. Oil can को kick किया. The oil spilled from the oil can. The oil spilled from the oil can. और ऑयल कैन से सारा ऑयल जो था वो बाहर स्पिल हो गया. ऑयल कैन से सारा जो तेल था, जो ऑयल था, वो बाहर स्पिल हो गया. He then started shouting for help. ओमकार ने क्या किया? ज़ोर ज़ोर से शाउट करना शुरू कर दिया. Help, help, help. And ओमकार started shouting for help. On hearing the shouts, the octopus reached there and threw oranges at the ox. The ox got frightened and ran away. ओमकार started shouting for help. ओमकार ने ज़ोर ज़ोर से help help चिल्लाना शुरू कर दिया. And then who came for his help? Yes, his friend Octopus came for his help. Octopus वहाँ आए और सुपरमैन की तरह with 8 tentacles of his, he क्या किया उसने? What? He reached there and threw oranges at the ox. और ऑक्टोपस ने सुपरमैन की तरह अपने 8 टेंटिकल से ऑरेंजेस उठाए and starting throwing them at the ox. Ox got frightened. Ox को डर लगा और वह वहाँ से भाग गया. So this was the O sound story. This was the O sound story. Now what you have to do at your home, you have to practice this. You have to practice this like Omkar, O Omkar, O oven, O ox, O oranges, O oil can, O oil, like this. Okay, so this was all about the story. Now what we are going to do, now in the next video we are going to learn O, and I know O, writing of O is very simple, so we will write the O and we will also do an activity based on our friend Superman Octopus. Yay! Bye bye, take care and watch the next video very carefully.